He's right. Let's do an intro. Let's go. Look what we got. Big boy. That's RAM 1500 TRX with 6.2 liter supercharged engine. It has 702 horsepower and around 900 Newton meters. It's sporty off-road track, so you can have some fun while off-roading. I don't think that it's best suitable for hardcore off-roading through mud and etc. But if you would love to jump around and go to the Baja and etc., it's perfect. But I think with such price tag, I don't know if you would use that for racing or Baja and etc. because it's the most expensive version of Ram 1500. It's wider. It has the active terrain dynamics Bilstein suspension, especially created for the Ram for TRX. Guys already cleaning the back of it. We have some fun stuff over here we will show you. But have you noticed the main thing about this car? It's salvage and it's wrecked. As you can see, it has hole inside the doors. We are going to replace them. We will see about the back doors. It's possible to repair them, but if you want to have the best result, it's definitely better to replace them also. So we will talk with the owner what we're gonna do. And the main damage is of course at the front. As you can see, the headlight is missing. The front bumper is quite damaged. What is important, it's completely full of metal. It's made of metal. We will see what we're gonna find as soon as we are going to remove it. And it's possible that the frame is bent from such damage. It definitely should be, but we will see how badly it is. Let's talk a little bit about the engine. The cover hides most important part of this car. You can see it's the destroyer of other dinosaurs. Let's say that. I guess you understand what I'm talking about. And I'm really a huge fan of this car rather than other dinosaur. And that kind of dinosaur is already extinguished. So long live TRX. It's the last TRXs. As you know, Ram ditching V8s, V-Structs, and etc. No more funny sounds of supercharger. And the thing is that the air intake and the filter is so big that I'm not able to show you a supercharger. But from the air, you can see that beauty and the source of power. So yeah, I will put back this color because there is nothing to see right now. I bet you would love to hear it. It really sounds amazing.
Wait, it's gonna be too loud. Let us finish the cleaning and then you can start.
But every time we're listening for you, it's loud noises from your stomach and etc.
But this one is even louder.
Okay, so let's wait. Let the guys finish cleaning and let them show you a little bit what we found.
We found a lot of trash. We found some body parts not from this. My lunch, it was from yesterday, sorry. Yeah. What else? Oh, that's where was my head.
Someone definitely used this car as a dumpster.
Yeah, there is some body parts not from this vehicle, like this blue part.
The guys finished removing the junk. Let's lift the car. Let's inspect the underbody so we will see if there are any more damage. But before that, take a listen. Now let's inspect the damage. Immediately we can see that the protection of fuel tank is bent. I don't think that we are going to replace it. We are going to fix it. We are going to respray it using powder coating rather than regular paint. Maybe it's the same right now. Also, you can see the bigger damage over here. It's possible that it's from lifting the car into the container and etc. at the auction. So this strut brace has to be replaced, and this one possibly can be fixed because all other places are okay. Just this one must be straightened, and some of the damage can be welded, right, Rokas?
Yep, for sure.
You can weld it.
If in few years, yeah.
The exhaust is damaged. We will see, but I think we're going to replace this piece. We just need to buy something similar and TIG weld it in order to prevent it from rusting. Otherwise, if you're gonna MIG weld it, but you can see, here's MIG welded, definitely. But we don't want it to rust, so we will have to fix it. What else? Big damage and bigger problems is that the drive shaft is bent over here. So if you would be driving it, there would be lots of vibrations, definitely. The covers of the shocks are damaged. We will see, maybe it's possible just to fix it. We will ask the guys that fixes the plastics, because there are no big, any kind of holders on it, just a few bolts and that's it, on the sides and then to the back. So both of them are broken right now a little bit, but I believe it can be fixed. We will see how much it costs, because we are going to save the costs as much as we can where it's possible. I know I don't see any more big damage. We will be able to see more frame damage when we are going to remove the front bumper and skid plate, because right now everything is covered. Additionally, you can see some scratch marks on the wishbones, but that's normal because of the forklift. It just gets under the car and lifts it. So yeah, some scuffs and some marks here on the wheel. So we will see how we can fix that, because it can leak some air. Right now everything seems okay, but you never know. This wheel seems okay. Everything seems good. Here some minor damage and some minor scratches on the shocks, but everything else is pretty much okay. Oh yeah, the side skirt is damaged, and here you can see it's bent, it's broken off. So the body workshop has to fix it, has to replace the wall side of the side skirt. And the body shop said it's not gonna be a big deal. I think it's enough having it over here, because Rock is still looking at that huge drive shaft.
It's as big as mine, you know?
You wish.
You never saw that python down below.
Little snake. He thinks that it's python. Yeah.
Rattlesnake.
Yeah.
And it's good that we have this kind of lift, so we can lift 4.5 tons, and it's quite tall. So great investment, because we were thinking about buying the lower one and 4 tons, and you never know when you're gonna fix the TRX.
But still, Dodge Ram van was more sketchy on the lift. It was all wobbly.
It was like you on the Sundays.
You know me.
A few moments later.
Okay, so while Rock is gonna remove and disassemble the front end in order to inspect what's wrong, Tote we're gonna take care of the interior, because we need to remove the dashboard, we need to remove the headliner and everything else. We have to remove the seat belts because we also, as you can see, not working. We have to fix these parts while disassembling the front end. I was repeating myself, but I want to make sure that you understand that we are working, not just talking. Okay, that's it. I have to go. Good luck, guys.
Yeah, as always.
Twice.
What?
What are you doing? So, guys are finished? Where are we?
I don't know.
So, we're gonna have to clean everything. You understand that?
I'm gonna make some calls, I think.
Okay, you should. Otherwise, we're gonna clean it together. I'm gonna do 20% and you 80 for covering their asses. But okay, let's take a look at what we did. As you can see, the whole front end is removed. This part is especially damaged, as much as this one. It's wrinkled and it has to be replaced. The problem with radiator support is that it's not possible to order just the bottom piece. The OEM one is complete, the top, sides, and the bottom. You can buy aftermarket sides that can be replaced, the plastic ones, but it's not possible to buy the bottom piece. So we're gonna have to buy the complete radiator support. What is more, lots of plastics, the oil cooler, and etc. are damaged, we are trashed, so we will have to buy new ones and replace them. Same with headlight support. I can still find some plastic. As you already saw, we're gonna need a completely new headlight over here. We were thinking that more parts are gonna be damaged, but from what we can see right now, from what I can see right now, because Slice, I don't know where are the guys, maybe you should call them, or we are going to clean up everything by ourselves. But coming back to the part of destroyed TRX, everything is better than we thought, especially front end. The frame is not damaged so much, and it seems straight. It also looked straight when we had the car on the lift. The repair should be reasonable. Over here we have even more interior parts that have been removed from the car, so we're gonna have to find some boxes to put everything into one place, like this one, so we don't miss anything and we don't lose anything. Additionally, I saw over there the headliner. It has to be fixed. It's possible to fix it. Seat belts, safety belts, safety harness has to be fixed because right now it's shot. I mean, retraction was activated by airbag module, so driver can be safe and airbag is not going to throw away your brains. Inside we have almost nothing left. We still need to put back the seat and some of the parts. We're definitely gonna put all the boxes into the car so we know that this belongs to this car rather than putting somewhere. We have storage, but it's quite full. And with these many parts, you can guess it would be quite hard to find the space because we have some fiberglass hoods, trunks, fenders, I know, side skirts, lots of stuff around. So yeah, I think we should find the bigger place, because if it's going to be this way, we are not gonna fit anymore, because we're gonna have a few more projects incoming. So stay tuned and press that subscribe button, press that push notification button, so you don't miss them and projects like this. And let us know in the comments if that's interesting for you, if you love such projects, so we can keep up and focus more on them. Or maybe more on drift cars, or E30s, or Golfs with tuned engines. We have tons of different projects and doing our best. Before we end up, I wanted to show you something else. If you didn't know, Ram TRX have some interesting quirks. One of them is, I know, the tool set and the ruler and everything for carpenters. And additionally, over here, you have references of human, TRX, T-Rex, and Velociraptor. Interesting. What we meant with that. Maybe that's some kind of Easter egg, or we were joking just about some EcoBoost engines. But for today, it's enough. Enough jokes. We still have to clean up this mess. And look who showed up.
I forgot my jacket.
Yeah? We are going to clean up this mess. Come over.
Okay,
Look,
okay. Nah.
your tools is waiting over there. Come. Okay, I still have to grab him. Come. Please and thank you. Grab your tools. Where is your colleague?
My colleague is not able to work anymore.
So, it's on you? Focus.
Everything is good for me.
It's enough, right?
Yeah.
The jokes aside, we are quite happy with progress, how everything looks like. It's not too bad. We just need to source the parts.
Yeah, it's kinda pretty good.
The engine is not damaged. This is important.
Yeah.
Everything else, except the bodywork, should be easy. We will be able to do everything by ourselves.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. The only thing that we are not able to do is to pull the frame. So this is something that we are going to bring for body shop. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Push that notification button.
Press that push notification button. And leave a comment. Tell Rokas to clean up his mess after himself.
No, never. Look
at
what
that.
auto does build. All tools are left.
I will grab this one from you. You can come back when you finished. Bye-bye.
Clean it. Don't forget to unplug the logo, and it's gonna be clean. Voila. Everything is done. Just lock the doors. Bye-bye.